Okay. Hopefully get out of here without getting killed. Let's see. My goodness. Look before you leave. God fucking A. Apologize for my language today. It's, you know, this weather, just nuts, you know. I had the right of way back there. My land of living. Look at all this traffic. I try to avoid going to gas stations in the middle of the day, but sometimes, you know, you just it's the way the cookie crumbles, or it's the way the work schedule the way the work schedule goes. Can anybody freaking drive today? Cheese and crackers. Now this person's my kind of person here. Use their blinker and everything. Anyway, let's see what this person's going to do. I don't know if they can make a U-turn there, but second day in a row it's happened to me. Now we can go. Vehicle behind me, no lights, no blinker. Come on now. Man, all this traffic. Bad weather today, more traffic. Good weather yesterday, more less. No, bad weather. Bad weather today, more traffic. Good weather yesterday, less traffic. Look, this is the same Jeep that would let me in at the merge. You believe that? Now it's not required, but still, it's good driving etiquette to do that. And now this vehicle on my right is trying to like speed up. It's like, what the heck is going on today, man? Cheese and crackers. What the hell's going on today? Oh. So nice of you to use your blinker. This moron coming up on our left. Another, wow. Oh my God. People know how to fucking drive today. That was uncalled for. Absolutely. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Man, heartless wenches today, man. I gotta try to use the F word today. It's like, man. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh, good. Is the lane clear up here? Yeah, I think so. Anyway. Oh, man. No, it's not. Boy, that's wonderful, isn't it? Oh. On my way, man. Jeez. Oh, now you get over, bro. Sure. Now look at that. That is totally unsafe right there. When you see traffic backed up like this and you're trying to make a left turn across, just go down to the next traffic light or the next crossover that's not congested, and then you cross over, make a U-turn, you know? And you know what? It'll be less. It might take you a couple extra. Might take an extra minute, but out of your day, but you'll be a lot less stressful, and you won't be in a hostile, dangerous situation like that motorist back there. It's the Great White Brigade. Of course, you got to watch out for this Toyota on our right. Is one of the most dangerous drivers on the road right now, because not only is he going like far below the speed limit, but he has no lights on. Well, these guys, but those don't count. This kind of conditions. This guy's little rinky-dinky parking lights, but no, you gotta use the whole headlights in these kind of situations.